The sun was shining brightly over the city. The streets were decorated with flags. Thousands of people had gathered for the annual military parade. It was a day of pride, a day to honor the brave. Among the soldiers lined up for rehearsal was a quiet black soldier. He stood tall in his uniform, but some of the others around him whispered. One white officer smirked and said, "Look at him. Does he even belong here? He probably got in through luck, not skill." Another soldier chuckled. "Yeah, he looks too ordinary. Not like a real hero." The black soldier heard every word. His eyes stayed forward, his face calm. He did not answer. As the rehearsal went on, the whispers continued. Some people in the crowd pointed at him, saying he didn't look like a leader. They assumed he was just another ordinary man in uniform, someone who had done nothing special. But what they didn't know was the truth. When the national anthem began, the general of the army stepped forward. He walked past all the soldiers. The crowd went silent. Everyone expected the general to salute the decorated white officers in the front. Instead, he stopped in front of the black soldier. The general raised his hand in a sharp salute and said loudly, "Today, we honor the hero of the battlefield. This man risked his life to save dozens of soldiers. Without him, many of us would not be standing here today." The general continued, "This man will not march at the back today. He will lead the parade." If you were inspired by this story, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful stories.